prepare food by the plant. Actually, this process complete in the presence of sunlight. Without sunlight, this process can't be imagined. फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस सनलाइट के बिना कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकता। इट मींस अगर एक प्लांट अपना फूड को प्रिपेयर करना चाहता है तो ओनली वन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट। एक्चुअली प्लांट prepare their own food in form of starch and glucose. Also, after preparing food, also plant this food used to growth and development of plant. Okay, and some store food which is not used, that food is stored for future use by the plant. Actually, this process complete in the presence of sunlight. As you know, in presence of sunlight, water and air, and chlorophyll also an important part. Chlorophyll, yes, means chlorophyll is green part of plant. Green part of plant is called chlorophyll. It means only green plant make their own food in the presence of sunlight. Only green plant. Okay. If we talk about different region grow different kind of plant. Some plant grow in hilly region, some plant grow in mountain, some plant grow in desert, and some plant grow in plain. Okay, it means different plant grow in different region, different climatic condition. In that case, different region plant, different climatic conditions plant have also their structure different. Okay, it means different region plant has structure different. If we talk about desert region plant structure different from hilly region plant. Desert region plant structure different from plain region plant. And actually, if we talk about desert region get very little amount rainfall, means very little rainfall. It means desert region receive very little rainfall. It means वहाँ पे बारिश बहुत कम होती है। In that case, उस रीजन के प्लांट का स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा होता है कि वो मिनिमम वाटर लॉस करे। एक्चुअल वाटर लॉस in the excess water lost by plant by leaves. Which part? Stomata is a small pores present on the surface of leaves that also help in if we talk about in the process of photosynthesis, take carbon dioxide and release oxygen to the atmosphere, to the surrounding, but also excess water by the plant release in form of water vapor to the surrounding, to the atmosphere. But desert region plant, actually that region get very little rainfall. It means water scarcity problem always there, desert region. So in that region plant, to minimize water loss and also to complete photosynthesis process, also participate desert region plant stem, leaves as well as stem. It means desert region plant structure like that, stem also green and leaves also green. It means both the part participate in photosynthesis process. But if we talk about plant region plant, in that region plant mostly not green stem but leaves participate to complete photosynthesis process. So just talking about different region plant have different structure and how it helpful to survive in different conditions. Okay, now we will discuss seed dispersal. Actually we have discussed germination, photosynthesis process. Now most important things, if all the seed fall down near the plant, if all the seed grow at the same place, how it possible if a plant need proper amount of water, air, what, okay, तो डिफरेंट मींस उसको स्पेस चाहिए, है ना। अगर एक प्लांट वेल ग्रोथ प्लांट के वेल ग्रोथ के लिए उसको क्या चाहिए, स्पेस चाहिए। इट मींस सीड डिस्पर्सल नेसेसरी है ना। सीड डिस्पर्सल मींस द प्रोसेस ऑफ स्कैटरिंग सीड्स अवे फ्रॉम द मदर प्लांट इज कॉल्ड सीड डिस्पर्सल। सीड डिस्पर्सल मींस एक प्रोसेस है, मींस स्कैटरिंग सीड अवे फ्रॉम द मदर प्लांट। इट मींस जो भी प्लांट है उसका सीड अगर एक ही जगह पूरा फॉल डाउन हो जाए और फिर वहीं पे ग्रो हो जाए, वहां पे जितना प्लांट होगा वो प्रॉपर अमाउंट में उनको वाटर नहीं मिलेगा, एयर नहीं मिलेगा, सनलाइट नहीं मिलेगा। तो अगर जब ये चीजें जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं प्लांट की ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट के लिए, वो चीजें नहीं मिलेगी तो उस प्लांट का ग्रोथ नहीं हो पाएगा, है ना, डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पाएगा। ओके, नाउ different method of seed dispersal, different type of seed dispersal and different kind of seed dispersal. We have already discussed this different kind of plant founded in different region. Actually different seed shape, size all are different. It means all plant has not same kind of seed and same kind of seed structure. It means shape and size. It means different kind of plant have different shape, seed, size of seed. Okay, so also seed dispersal by different method of different plant seed. Okay, now first seed dispersal by animals. Which type of seed dispersal by animals? Okay, gentian, tiger nail, these type of seeds dispersed by animal. How it dispersed by animal? Actually some fruit eaten by animal and fruit digested by animal, but seed not digested by animal. In that case animal throw away the remaining seed. Okay, in that case that seeds grow into a new plant. So this type सीड डिस्पर्सल बाय एनिमल। इट मींस कुछ फ्रूट होता है जो एनिमल खा लेते हैं, है ना, और फिर क्या करते हैं अनडाइजेस्टेड सीड को रिलीज कर देते हैं, रिमूव कहीं फॉर्म एक्सक्रीशन। ओके, तो वो क्या होता है फिर वो सीड कहीं दूर जाके जहां पे उसको थ्रो अवे करता है एनिमल, जहां पे उसको बाहर निकाल देता है, तो वो क्या करता है फिर न्यू प्लांट में ग्रो कर जाता है, डेवलप हो जाता है, मींस आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग जर्मिनेशन। ओके, नेक्स्ट सीड dispersal by wind. Just talking about different kind of plant has different kind of seeds, different structure shape. ये same seed dispersal by wind. Okay, just like for example dandelion, sycamore, cotton, all these are lighter seed. Okay, this type of seed dispersed by wind. If air blowing, okay, in that case this type of seed dispersed by wind. Next point, seed dispersal by water. Some seeds are dispersed by water. Actually, for example, coconut, lotus, all these are, है ना, कि पानी है, वाटर है, फ्लोइंग रिवर है, कैनल जो भी है, अगर ये सीड इसमें आ जाता है, गिर जाता है, ये क्या करता है, वाटर पानी के द्वारा बहा के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाया जाता है, फिर वो सीड यहाँ पे जर्मिनेट करता है कहीं जाकर, तो फिर एक न्यू प्लांट में ग्रो कर जाता है ना। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है सीड डिस्पर्सल बाय एक्सप्लोजन, है ना, कुछ सीड्स होता है जो फॉर एग्जांपल हम इसको बोल सकते हैं पी बीन है ना, आफ्टर रैपिंग मतलब पकने के बाद ये बस्ट हो जाता है, मींस फट जाता है। तो ये जो सीड डिस्पर्सल का प्रोसेस है, इस सीड डिस्पर्सल को क्या बोलते हैं, एक्सप्लोजन बोलते हैं। तो जस्ट टॉकिंग